Here I have Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me show you how to enter and turn on the maintenance mode on the following device. So if you are sending your phone for repair, it's always a good idea to turn on the maintenance mode. Let me show you how to do it. Let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings. From the list of settings, let's choose device care, right here. Alright, here let's scroll down and here you can find maintenance mode. Let's tap it. So as you can see here, we've got the information about maintenance mode. Let's read it. The maintenance mode protects your privacy while someone else is using your phone, such as when you're sending it for repairs. How maintenance mode keeps you safe? Only pre-installed apps are available. Personal data, including pictures, messages, and accounts, can't be accessed, and downloaded apps are hidden. What else? You will need to unlock your phone to turn off the maintenance mode. And what happens when you turn on the maintenance mode? Everything will go back to the way it was when maintenance mode was first turned on. Nothing will be saved that happens while maintenance mode is on, such as downloaded data, app installation, or settings changes. Alright, here you can also use some backup method before sending for repair, for example temporary cloud backup or external storage backup. Let me don't use it, just tap turn on. Before you set your maintenance mode, you need to set the screen lock. So if you have a screen lock, let's just use it. If not, let's choose set screen lock. Let me choose pattern. Let me use the simplest possible pattern. Tap done. And now you can tap turn on maintenance mode. Tap restart. You need to use the following screen lock protection to do it. The device is creating lock. Let's wait a few seconds. The phone is still creating lock. Let's wait. That device is restarting right now. Alright, as you can see, the phone is switching to maintenance mode. Phone is starting. And now you can send your phone for repair. The device is in maintenance mode right here. As you can see here, if you tap settings and select the device care, tap maintenance mode again, you can exit this maintenance mode by using this key and by entering the screen lock. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.